Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today's video is on this lightweight, no foundation, colourful summery makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. My eyebrows are already done and I won't be using foundation today, but instead going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn.
Hey.
This concealer shade actually matches the lighter areas of my face, however since I'm quite tanned at the moment, I'm going to go in with some bronzer later on to help blend it in more seamlessly. And once this is blended out, it will serve the purpose of brightening up my under eyes and the centre of my face to match with the rest of my body. Next, I'm lightly setting everywhere that I just concealed using my Lower Mercier translucent setting powder. To help further blend my concealer into my skin and to add some definition, I'm using my bronzer.
Hey.
And now I'm contouring my nose with my sleek contour kit. For blush today, I'm going to be taking a mixture of the mustardy yellow and orange shades from the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadows palette and applying that to my cheeks. Now we're moving on to faux freckles. I found that I prefer using a tiny brush and dipping it into a creamy product to create my faux freckles rather than using a brow pencil, which I know a lot of people do, because I find that doing this, I'm able to get the intensity that I want without having to press as hard as I do using a pencil. So as you can see, after dotting a bunch of freckles on my face, I go in with a finger to blend them out and make them look as if they're part of my skin. And then afterwards I go on top with some more product, and this creates the impression that some freckles are on top of each other and that some are darker and some are lighter. I personally prefer to make the freckles more dense over the bridge of my nose and at the tops of my cheekbones, and then have them a lot more sparse over the rest of my face, and I think for me this creates a much more natural look. And now to finish up, I'm just going over my beauty spot which was covered by my concealer.
Hey.
Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the same colours that I used on my cheeks, but starting with the mustardy yellow shade all over my crease. And then to add a little bit more definition, I'm going to be taking the burnt orange shade and putting that in the outer corner of my eye and blending that into the crease slightly. To incorporate the green colour from the leaves on my top, I'm going to be taking this metallic green pencil liner and adding that to my lower waterline and lash line. To set the pencil in place and to make it pop a little bit more, I'm going to be taking a green metallic-y eyeshadow on an angled brush and adding that on top. The next step is liquid eyeliner, and the first step is to outline the shape that I want. I accidentally made this part of the wing too thick, so I'm just removing it with some micellar water on a cotton bud, and then I'm going to redraw it the way that I want. And then I'm just filling in the outline and clearing up the edges. I'm not going to be wearing falsies in this makeup look today, so the last step is just adding mascara to my upper and lower lashes.
Hey.
Now back to the face, I'm going to be highlighting with my Le Peach Diamond Glow Powder, and before applying it onto my skin, I'm making sure to spray it with some Fix Plus so that it will pop even more and look extra glowy. Now, to incorporate the red from the roses on my top, I'm going to be lining my lips with this NYX lip liner. And then to tie this in with my eyes and my cheeks, I'm going to be taking an orange lipstick and applying that to the centre of my lips. To lighten the orange so that it matches my top a little bit better, I'm taking the same mustard yellow shade from the NYX eyeshadow palette and applying that to the orange on my lips. And as a final step, just to ensure that there's still a distinction between the red and the orange, I'm going to be relining my lips with the same red lip liner. And as the final step to this makeup look, I'm spraying my face with the Skindinavia Mini Finishing Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe for more.